Diana Todorova. The problem is that people are not aware that they can influence the future. They act chaotically, not realizing that they can change reality through purposeful behavior. My suggestion is to be introduced a future studying discipline into school programs. It is aimed at raising the awareness about the future. When students start thinking within the categories of the future, which will enable them to assess threats and opportunities, then their behavior on the generation level will boost the process of informed influence on the future. Working towards attaining certain goals is going to materialize into the so-called self-fulfilling forecast. Such, such education of the coming generation is going to make them more responsible about the risks generated by humanity, and working towards the prevention of threats shall render them self-defeating forecasts. I'm futurist. My PhD work is dedicated to counterfactual analysis as a new methodology for scenario building. I am assistant professor in Bulgarian Academy of Sciences. Currently, I am a member of the Bulgarian Parliament. Singularity University proved to be one of the most influential modern institutions nowadays. I believe that my participation in global impact competition, learning from the lectures and interaction with different leaders all over the world will provide me the key to realize my project.